Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl CHAMONE. Today's video is going to be short and sweet, but I got my hands on some of the new lip products that Juvia's Place recently released, and I just wanted to try them out on camera for you guys. So I figured to get started, well, first of all, let me just say that I was scrolling on Instagram late last week, whatever day it was, Wednesday, late last week, minding my business, just scrolling, and I'm looking like, is this the new release? Like, there was no promo, there was no build-up. It just was like, boom, here you go. We dropping a full lip line. So what I decided to do, like I said, was get one of each. So they came up with lip liners, lipsticks, and lip glosses. For lip liners, I got the dark brown shade Kola. These are their Luxe Liner. These are called their Luxe Liners. And I got the shade Kola. I will swatch this for you. So this is what Kola looks like. And I'm gonna be honest, I did swatch these when I got these in the mail yesterday because I was so excited, but I didn't try them on, but I did swatch them. Then I got their Velvety Matte Lipstick from the Chocolate Collection, and I got the shade Toffee. The packaging is super, super cute. Beautiful ombre pink with the J at the top. Tells you the shade on the bottom. This is what it's looking like. And I'll swatch this. They feel super creamy. I'm excited to try it on. And then so they have a lip glass line of glosses, which were 3 glosses, I believe, and then the lip reflect gloss, which came out with 4. So I grabbed the shade Sis. I already know for sure I want to go back and get Caramel Rose. I'll probably end up getting all of them, but I've been trying to, I've been trying to not go overboard with makeup. Said nobody ever. Do y'all see my shirt? If they ask what I want makeup, please. But this is the, what is it called? The Lip Reflect Gloss Large Doe Foot Applicator, glass jar. Smells amazing. It smells like, it just smells sweet. That's what the gloss shade Sis is looking like. So let's get into this. Only thing I have on my lips so far is Carmax. I'm gonna wipe most of that off. And let's see. So it's super soft. For me, it's not too dark. For me, this is like the perfect shade of lip liner. And I want to say these retail for $10. I have the prices on the screen and in the description box. Okay, so, I mean, it's nothing like mind-blowing. It's a lip liner. It works well. I like that you don't have to sharpen it. Oops. Let's move on to the lipstick. Again, this is the shade Toffee. Ooh, that's pretty.
Is that lipstick?
It sure is, baby. And I'm filming. Thank you. All right. I honestly could have went a little bit lighter, but I'm not mad at this. I love this. Super pretty. Feels good. Doesn't feel matte at all. Feels good. So now I'm going to go on top of this with the lip gloss Sis. as I wipe it off. I like it. I definitely know that I want to go back and get like another gloss, some lighter shades for the lipsticks, but I just wanted to try them out. I didn't want to get carried away and like not like anything. So for first impressions, my lips feel good. The gloss isn't even sticky. It's not tacky. It just feels really good. I love the shade of the lipstick, and the lip liner worked fine for me as well. So again, this was my first impressions review, try on of 3 of the new lip products by Juvia's Place. Again, I got the lip liner in Kola, I got the lipstick in Toffee, and the lip gloss in Sis. Now what I am going to do though is take this off and just do the gloss by itself, because that lipstick was dark and pigmented. So let's see what the gloss looks like by itself. I might still have a little lip liner on. Actually, I'm gonna put some lip liner on because I know that these glosses are pigmented. All right, lips are lined. I'm going in with just Sis by herself. Yeah, I really like this color by itself. This is pretty. And honestly, I feel like I could get away with wearing this shade without a lip liner, because it's not too bright. But of course, lip liner never hurt nobody. This is pretty. I like it, I like it, I like it. All right, you guys, so let me know. Did you catch the launch? Did you order anything? Were you waiting to see reviews? If you did order something, leave me a comment. Let me know what you got. And as always, if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. And until next time, be blessed. Bye.